Many users have opted to upgrade iOS 18 after its release. But meanwhile, there are also many users who reacted to the upgraded iPhone iOS 18 encountering problems such as system lag, battery draining too fast, overheating, and etc. But don't worry. In this video, I will provide you with 3 effective ways to solve these problems and get your device back to running smoothly. The first solution is to force restart your iPhone. Hold down the power button and either the volume up or volume down button, depending on your iPhone model, at the same time. Keep holding both buttons until you see the Apple logo. Once the logo appears, release the buttons and let your iPhone restart. This simple step usually solves system lagging and other related problems. If rebooting doesn't help, then you may need to reset the entire settings. Open Settings, select General. Find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Select Reset and reset all settings. Wait for the system to reset, and then reconnect to the network to check again if the iOS 18 system still has the relevant issues. If neither of the above methods work, you may want to downgrade your iPhone back to iOS 17. First of all, remember to turn off Find My iPhone, which you could do on iCloud on your phone or on the web. Select the device you want to operate on in My Devices and click Erase this device to remove it. Don't forget to back up your data in advance using iTunes before proceeding. Open iTunes. Click Restore the iPhone. Now, let me introduce you to AnyFix, which can help you downgrade your iOS system easily in a few steps. It can solve 150+ iOS system issues without data losing, including system lag, battery drain, system upgrade and downgrade, etc. Support the latest iOS 18. Free download and install AnyFix on your computer. Connect your iPhone and select Upgrade/Downgrade iOS. Confirm that one-click iOS downgrade is selected and click Download. Select the iOS 17.7 system you want to downgrade to. Once the download is complete, click Downgrade. AnyFix will begin preparing to downgrade your iOS device. The downgrade will take some time, so please be patient. Once the downgrade is complete, reset your iPhone and restore the backup data from iTunes and reboot. That's it. 3 easy ways to fix system lag, battery drain, and overheating after upgrading to iOS 18. If downgrading sounds like the best option for you, I highly recommend AnyFix. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tech solutions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.